I get everything on the audio.
Hello, we are heading to Austria today.
We will be staying at Zell am See and we will be spending 3 nights there.
We have planned some adventures and we hope the weather will be nice.
There's a lot of traffic on the road because this is the rush hour, but I hope we make it there in time, and it will be around 5 hours the whole trip, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have arrived here at the Walchensee. This is such a beautiful little lake, and we have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that we are into Austria and we have driven through the most rushy part of our trip, that was around Munich, and now it's only 1 hour away from our destination. And the bad news is,
Yeah, we have to wait here for an hour or so. Our apartment is not ready yet. everyone. We just woke up an hour ago. We just had breakfast here in our apartment. The weather is not that good. Yeah, it was raining since morning, but now it's a little bit better and we are planning to just head outside.
We are going to the Sigmund Thun Klamm. Klamm means gorge in German, and we have seen the videos. It's a really beautiful gorge. We will try to get there as soon as possible because now we have a small window where there's no rain. We will see that if we can go to some other place, because today and also tomorrow the weather is really bad. It's cloudy, it's rainy, but we will try to make the most of it. We are here at the entrance of the gorge. We got these tickets. It costs €6 for an adult, and we had a guest card, so we get a discount, and it costs us €5.40. Under the waterfall.
And we have to shout
Okay, so a little tip. There was a possibility to go to the Klamm lake, and it was 15 minutes from the waterfall, but because we don't have enough time, I think we have a few hours where it's not raining, and that's why we won't walk our way to the lake. We will just get back to our car and go to the high reservoirs, which are very famous in Austria, and they are the highest dams in Austria. So we will try to go there as soon as possible
before it starts raining again.
Yes, you never know because the weather changes very quickly, and we will try to make the most of it.
So we got these tickets for 20 euros. The actual price was 23 per person. We have this guest card, so we got a 3 euro discount, so it's 20 euros per person. From here we are not allowed to go with our own car, so we have to take these buses you see there, and we are waiting for the next bus. It leaves in 15-20 minutes, so we will stay here and enjoy the view.
Our bus is here. We are literally walking in the clouds. We cannot see anything. The view all around was supposed to be very beautiful with tall mountains, snow-capped peaks, but right now we don't see anything. At least it stopped raining. Now we are at the reservoir. We cannot see anything at all, and this is the wall of this dam, and we will just walk over it. It's almost 500 meters long. So we have just crossed the dam. This is the other side, and still we cannot see anything. Oh, I think this is one of the spillways of the dam.
Yeah, probably.
So we are onto a track, and there is absolutely no one around. There are several tracks that go from here, but currently there's no one on them. We are currently here.
Oh, so we came from all the way here, right?
Okay, so we just came across this
giant
huge
monkey.
It's a huge gorilla. No, it's not. It's just a statue. It's a statue, or I don't know what it is. It's some kind of symbol that they've made. But when you come out of these clouds, it looks exactly like a giant gorilla.
So apparently this is not a giant gorilla. It's a monument, and it's made for the people who worked here in constructing this dam. It took about 8 years to complete this dam.
It took almost 8 years, from 1947 to 1955, and 161 people lost their lives while constructing this dam. So this is a memorial for those people. arrived back here at the parking, and the weather is much better now. It's still raining, but
it's getting clear now.
It's much clearer. You can see amazing views now.
Okay, another pro tip: whenever you come here to Stausen, right? So park your car on the 9th or the 10th floor, because the buses start from the 10th floor, I think.
Yes, the buses. You have to catch a bus from the top of the car park, and we have seen many people who are parking on the first floor, second floor,
and then you have to walk all the way up to till the 10th floor. So it's better to park on 9th or the 10th floor. And
we already read it on a blog, and it was really helpful. So this is another tip. Keep that in mind when you visit here. This is such a beautiful location, and it's probably as beautiful as Lauterbrunnen, if not more. There are so many waterfalls that we have seen on the way, and this area is absolutely amazing.
so we just experienced something very strange. We were taking pictures here, and you see behind us the power grid station and these high powered cables, and we have some sort of current or
there's some sort of electric field here in this region, and whenever we touch each other we feel that we have electric current in us.
It's crazy. So we are here at Klamm, and it's start to rain now.
So this is the lake, and this is one the Klamm lake, and the water for this lake comes from the reservoirs where we were in the morning, and then from this Klamm lake the water flows into the gorge and out into the river. This is a really beautiful colored water. You can see the reflections. This is really amazing. We have just arrived here in Zell am See. This is the little town, and we just bought a waffle. How is it?
Very delicious. It's warm and it's cold outside, so you enjoy a lot. It's really nice.
It's really nice. So now we will just walk through the town, have a look around, and then grab some coffee. Okay, so we just had a nice coffee in the town Zell, and now we are just strolling around the town. How did you find the town? How was it?
It's nice, small town, and we didn't see any locals here. It's mostly all the tourists, and everything is closed now. Everything closes at 6 here. So we'll also probably head back to our apartment, and
Yes, and call it a day.
Hello and good
Good morning everyone. This is our second full day in Austria. Today we are heading to Krimml waterfalls. They are the highest waterfall in Austria, almost about 380 meters. The water plunges down in 3 steps, so we are very excited to be there.
So we have just parked our car here and we are just walking towards the waterfall. It's raining quite heavily, but we are already here, so we will just go to the waterfall, try to see what it has to offer, and I think it will be fine. Okay, so now it's a 10 minutes walk from the parking area to the waterfall, and it's probably one of the worst weathers to come here, but we are already here. Okay, so we just bought 2 tickets for the waterfall, and unfortunately there's no discount on the guest card, so it was €4 per person, so it's pretty cheap, not that expensive, and I hope it's worth it. It's just like the water is flowing from the spillways of a dam. It's so fast, and the volume of the water in which it's flowing, it's really huge. Wow, this is amazing.
This is what happens to Zell's umbrella.
My umbrella is gone. Okay, so now we are going to the upper level of the waterfall, and
Now we see the second fall as well, right? That's the first one, and then this is the second.
okay, so this is the distance that we have to cover to the middle level waterfall. It's 30 minutes from here, and to the top level is almost 1 hour 15 minutes. Wow, that's quite high. Okay, so this is another viewpoint. I don't know if you can hear me because there's so much noise from the waterfall, but this is very, very beautiful. Have a look. It's all snow on the mountains, you can see. Can you believe it? It's September only.
So you can actually go till the top of the waterfall with this taxi, but apparently we like hiking in this rainy weather, so
So now it's very, very steep. We are really struggling here, but we are not giving up that easy. We will make it to the top.
now it's not even raining, it's ice raining now.
We're almost there.
we are back in the car and our hands are literally freezing. Cannot feel it.
My feet as well.
And now we will just make our way back to the apartment, get something warm to eat, maybe have a coffee. So now we are back here in the Zell city, and we went to our apartment, we took a bath, and then we just sat on our beds and did nothing.
Had coffee.
We just had coffee, and now after 2 hours in our apartment relaxing, we are here back in the Zell city. All the shops are closed, but we will try to find something to eat, and then we have something special for you guys. Okay, so we are here after dinner at the lake, and we told you earlier that we have something special for you guys, and it's a water and laser show that happens every Sunday at 9, and Sarish had no idea that this show takes place every Sunday here, and
I'm super excited now.
it will start in approximately 10 minutes, so we will just hang around and wait for it.